Today we're gonna talk about capers and how to grow them from seeds. This procedure is usually done. We sow them in February, but the seeds are collected in August. They are collected from the seed pods, this one which we let it grow. This is the development from the caper to flower to a seed pod. We let it dry and then we sow them in February, March. While we sow them in February, we sow them one in each pot full of compost, and the trick is to let them the first couple of weeks, let the compost moist a lot. This will help break the outer layer of the caper. It has a protective hard layer, which when it breaks down, the caper will sprout. Germination time is around 3 months, and another 3 months till it grows till a decent size, and then after around the 6 months we can put them in another pot of around 10 centimeters diameter. Capers can be grown everywhere, from a crevice to clay soils, as long as the soil doesn't retain a lot of water. Remember, capers, they don't like soggy soil. So if there is soggy soil, you have a problem, as the roots will wither and the plant will die away. They love a bit of water, not on a daily basis. For example, once a week, or even less, even twice a week, once every 2 weeks. But as a plant, it grows very big, sometimes even the size of a small car, and gives a lot of protection to animals and insects and invertebrates. It's a good plant to have around, and you can eat the berries and enjoy the flowers all in summer. Okay, thank you.